Hey guys, it's Jen here, GoldGlitter Girl. Hope you're all doing well. I wanted to jump on and quickly share a pocket letter that I did for Christmas. Doing a pocket letter swap with a friend of mine, and I just wanted to share. So quickly I'll show you this one that I did. Really cute. If you've seen my other video, you would have known the pocket letter, not pocket letter, the die cuts that I did with the new die cuts that I bought, my Christmas haul. So as you can see, the cardinal, the joy, the little girl over there with the snowflakes. I used some vellum in these pockets to give it a softer look. I like the green with the vellum over top. And I really like the blue, that turquoise blue in with it for Christmas. I think it really makes it pop. And then I have the wood veneer, some gold foiled paper, the wood veneer, some printables, and some more die cuts. The cardinals, the flowers, those are all from the Sizzix set that I bought. I can link that below if you guys like. I really like the ice skates. I think they're super cute. And a small gift tag, and she can take that out, use it separately. Oh, there's a little bit of glitter on there as well. You can see the shimmer, the little snowflakes and the hearts. It's all from the same kit, as well as the stamp. And here are some little Santas, some wood Santas that I got from the Dollar Tree. They're also in my Christmas haul. And this one I added some white, some details. And on the last one I did some light sanding on the edges, as you can see there. And I'm actually going to string them together on that twine and make a cute garland. Maybe include one with my pocket letter. And I'm going to hang that with the Merry sign, which I think turned out really cute. So this is my little DIY, a few coats of Waverly Antique Wax, and once that was dry, scuffed it up a little bit with some sandpaper, and that'll be my cute sign, probably with a bow and the Santa garland. So that's my video for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you guys are doing well this holiday season. If you enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up and a like, and please consider subscribing to my channel. So stay safe out there. Everyone have a great holiday season, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.